Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer AI generated summaries into Google Docs step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the AI tool you are using for generating summaries. Generate the summary you wish to transfer. Once the summary has been generated, select the text. Right-click on the highlighted text and choose the copy option from the context menu. Now, open a new tab in your web browser. In the new tab, go to Google Docs by typing in docs.google.com in the address bar. If necessary, sign in to your Google account. Once Google Docs has loaded, click on the plus symbol to create a new document. This will open a blank document for you to work in. Click anywhere in the document to set the cursor. Right-click in the document and select the paste option from the context menu. You can also use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+V on Windows or Command+V on Mac to paste the text. Your AI-generated summary will now appear in the Google Docs document. Feel free to format the text as needed using the toolbar options available. You can adjust font styles, sizes, and colors to enhance readability. If you want to add more summaries, repeat the copy and paste process. Once you are satisfied with the document, be sure to save your work. Google Docs automatically saves your changes, but you can click on File and then rename to give your document a specific name. You can also share the document with others by clicking the Share button in the upper right corner. Simply enter the email addresses of those you wish to share with and set their access permissions. Your AI-generated summaries are now successfully transferred into Google Docs and ready for use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.